Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. Say it! La Vida with Kim. And today, guys, if you are seeing, we have Ariel. So you guys know what that means, right? We have an unboxing. But today is not a Popmart unboxing. It's a Disney unboxing. Yes, because guys, we went to downtown Disney in Anaheim. Yes, yesterday. Yesterday? Was it yesterday? One of these days. And they have this store called Storyland. And they literally, guys, I'm not even playing, they turned it into a Popmart, guys. So we had to go check it out. And we got something. And we're going to unbox it today.
It's something about Star Wars.
Yes. We got this, guys. Look at that. Oh my gosh. It's the little Ewoks. I literally, no joke, I have been looking for these. And I didn't know where to get them from. Yeah, I didn't know where to get them. And we saw them there. They were almost sold out. And we were like, we need to get like the whole box. So we got it here, guys. We're going to unbox it right now. You ready? Look at that. Oh, they're so cute.
I really want the pink one.
Me too.
And this little guy. He's so...
The little one. I want the pink one too. And like this one, the original one.
No, actually, I want the pink one and this one.
This is a big box.
I want this one and these.
Yeah.
These are cute.
Okay, let's open it, guys.
I can open it, Mom.
Okay, so Ariel's gonna open it. Can you? Oh, look, it has a hole right downtown. Open it. No, right here. Look, by the pink one. The picture. You see it? Yeah, there you go. Open it. Open it. There you go. Okay, so we have it all nice and pretty like this. Let's open it. Ariel, choose one. Because I'm sure you're going to want to open them all, right?
This one.
Grab it. Grab it. So it's over the box. Which one do you want?
This one. And also, of course, the one with the monkey.
The monkey? Let me see. Which one? Oh, it looks like a baby one. I don't know what that is.
Yeah.
I don't know.
It's so cute.
Okay, you chose that one. Open it, girl.
What one do you want?
I want the pink one. And then maybe that one.
Okay, let's open it.
How do you open it? Oh, it doesn't have like that pull thing. No, wait. Yeah, like that.
Dang.
They make these hard to open, huh?
The gluten.
Well, yeah, so you don't open them. Do you need help? Oh my god. Wait, do these come with cards? I don't even know.
Nope.
Okay, pull it out.
Yeah, nope.
No cards?
No.
What?
Oh!
You found it?
Good luck.
Angel said good luck. Which one is it?
It's so soft.
Salt? Ah! Ariel! Trash. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, I saw those have the name on the little strap. Look. Show it. Wicked. So
Wicked.
This is
like a wicked witch.
Yeah. Well, kind of, right? That's his name, Wicked. He's like the main character, right?
Yeah. Also, he's so soft.
They are super soft, guys. Like super soft.
Hello.
Cute. This is Wicked right there.
Hello.
Show the back. They're so soft, they're slippery, okay? Star Wars. So these are actual Star Wars stuff, guys. Cute. The face is like plasticky though.
Yeah. It's also soft.
Yes, I love this one. How cute.
Next one.
Choose. Find the pink one, Ariel. I wanna see the pink one. Open it. Oh, that one's much easier to open, right? These are so cute, especially if you're like a Star Wars fan. I'm married to one, so I get a pass. Okay. I wish they had cards though. Don't look.
I hope this one's the pink one. No, it's not.
Oh!
We found it.
Which one's this one? What is it called? Look at the name.
Berry?
Breath Thump.
Breath Thump?
I have no clue, guys.
We found him.
But it's the one with the little stormtrooper helmet in the hand. That one's so cute.
Dum 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 dum.
And then I don't know what that little stick is.
Hello.
Guys, these are so cute and soft. Oh my gosh, so adorable. Look at how cute he is.
Hello.
So cute. Next one. Find the pink one. Okay, so this is the third one. Open it, open it, open it, open it. Ariel, find us a pink one. Find us a pink one. Find us a pink one.
I'm trying to go.
Ariel is struggling with these boxes today, guys. Ariel.
Good luck. Oh, it's
What?
the green one.
The green one. Oh, it's cute still. Which one is that one?
Let's see.
What does it say? Cricket. 𝓭𝓸𝓷𝓽. I have no clue, guys. I am like totally butchering these names right now. But this is like the...
So cute.
It looks gray, right? It's like grayish black.
Hello.
And it has like a little sword, I think, or like a bow and arrow.
It's
Yeah.
like...
It's like Ariel said. It's a bow and arrow. So cute, guys. And it has these little arrows right there. Look at that. These are so soft. So cute. Next. The pink one. The pink one.
Good luck. Let's open this one. Fourth one.
Yes, fourth. Come on.
Look.
What number is this? Fifth? Fourth?
No, it's not.
No? Oh my god. Oh, that one's cute though. She's more bright. This one is called 𝓵𝓮𝓪𝓿𝓮. 𝓵𝓮𝓪𝓿𝓮. I have no clue. She kind of looks like a ducky, huh? She's cute. We're gonna have like the whole
Set.
village. Yeah, the whole set. Well, I just realized, do they all look like that? Do they all have a sad face?
No, they all have different mouths.
Yeah?
It's so cute.
This one looks so sad. I was like, do they all look like that? But no, they have different faces. Well, smiles, I guess you can say. They're so soft. Oh my gosh. Next, we're halfway through. Now it's the fifth one. Choose one.
Oh, this one's the pink one. Good luck.
Open it. Open it.
Good luck.
You found the pink one? Oh.
Oh, she has a smile.
Oh, she's smiling. She better be smiling. This one is called
Nisa?
Nisa, I think.
Nissan.
Aww.
Hello.
It looks like two little lollipops. I have no clue what that is, but it's so adorable because it's pink. She's so cute. She's cute. We have like 3 more to go, right? So cute.
Next one, 6. Got this one.
There's 8 total, I believe, right?
Good luck.
Good luck. I don't think these have a secret though. We're just saying good luck because we just have the habit of it. And she got the pink one already, so.
Got the same one.
No, it's not the same one. There's 2 that look the same.
Oh.
But they're like a tiny bit different. But this one has like a little bit of a darker tone to it. You guys see?
This one's orange.
Yeah. This one's a little bit darker. So this is the one she just pulled out. But they almost look the same. And then that one's smiling. Yeah, that one's smiling, and this one's kind of like a ee. Yeah, just like that. So, and then this one's called Wicked too.
Wicked.
2 Wickeds.
Wicked.
Okay. And then after that, 1 more.
Good luck.
We'll see right now.
I really want the one with the baby.
Okay, find it. Find it. What is this one?
I have a question too.
Which one, Ariel? Show me. I want to see.
It's the one with the baby.
That is cute.
Hello.
Oh, show
Let's
the baby.
see what's
Show him the baby.
This is my baby.
I can't even see it. There you go. Oh, I wonder if that's like one of those Ewok babies or like, what is it?
Koalas?
A koala. What is it called?
Zigga.
Seffi. I think it's Seffi. How cute. Oh. This is the one you wanted, right?
Yeah. We got 3 of my favorite ones.
And this is our last one.
We already know which one.
Which one was it? Which one do you know, really? Open it, open it, open it. What you got? What you got? What you got?
I knew it.
You knew it? Oh, that one's cute. I love how they have accessories. I don't know what they are, but they're cute. Look at that one. It has like little flowers on her little beanie thingy. This one is Chief Sherpa.
Chief Sherpa. She's a girl.
She's cute.
Hello.
These are so cute.
She has a lot of kids.
They say that all the little plushies I have, like all the boo-boos and everything, they're my kids.
And Gizmo. The one
And
at
Gizmo.
Chuck E. Cheese.
Yeah, the one I got in the claw game. So yeah. Okay, let's see all of them. So these are all our new little charms, guys. All the little Ewoks. Oh my god, these are so many. I can't even hold them all. Maybe I should have hold them like Ariel is, but yeah, guys. Oh my gosh, I hope you guys enjoyed this collection. It is so adorable. I'm so happy we finally found these little Ewoks.
Wow.
How cute. I can't even show them all at the same time, but they're so adorable, guys. If you want one, go to the downtown Disney like little Popmart store that they have now, because they have them there. Okay, guys, don't forget to give this video a like. Tell them, like this video, please.
Like this video, please, if you love them.
All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.